Good morning. My name is Jenny Briggs, and I'd like to welcome you to PIKE's latest webinar, Enhancing Workflow through FTIR Automated Sampling. All right, so let's get started. PIKE's been bringing automation to the spectroscopy community for years. And along the way, we've developed quite a portfolio of accessories. So I'd like to touch on those in the upcoming hour. Now, our objectives today are to look at the benefits of automation and talk about the various techniques and applications. And I'm hoping as we cover the first 2 points that it'll help spur your imagination to what's possible with automation. And then we'll wrap up with a brief AutoPro 7 software demonstration. Automated accessories are as useful as the software driving it. So I'm excited to show you the user friendliness of AutoPro 7. So often when you think of automation, you think of something, equipment, instrumentation that can make your job, make you more productive, allow you to increase your efficiency. And sometimes you start to think of benchtop chemists, increasing that workflow. But also through this seminar, I'm also going to introduce some applications where researchers could benefit as well. So I've listed a few here. One of the nice applications for automation is you can speed your calibration development as well as data analysis. So in addition to the chemists and researchers benefiting from automation, management will also benefit as well. Due to frequent employee turnover or cross-training, automation is a nice way to keep simplifying methods and keeping the workflow in your lab. Our accessories through AutoPro allows you to track users, so who tested what, and in the end, you surely will realize your return on investment. So here are some sampling measurements that could benefit from automation. In that testing laboratory, I mean, just as I mentioned before, fast calibration development. Maybe you're a lab that's doing routine measurements over and over, and this would really help you. Now, let me explain a little bit about QC mapping. We'll see throughout the webinar that we have several mapping stages. QC mapping, let's say you're working for a company that's making polymer films. So quality control mapping would be using an automated stage, would let you look at different sampling points. Now, research laboratories and the researcher, they're going to benefit as well, especially when you're looking at perhaps a large scale study. For example, looking at soils across Australia, and you want to document the FTIR signature for various soils collected. Again, mapping, very important, and I'll illustrate that with some examples. And also have a few examples about optimizing spectral quality. So most all sampling techniques in the infrared and near infrared